how the meeting is kind of like responding to points that are made and letting people know when they're agreed with, and it also means that you don't need to get the same point repeated again and again and people saying, yeah, I agree with that. If you want to talk, you just stick up your hands, and the general thing is you try and go round in an order of people putting up their hands, and everybody gets a chance to speak, and anybody who wants to speak should speak. I'm hoping that this megaphone is loud enough and works well enough for everybody to hear clearly. Brilliant. That's exactly the kind of time when the hand signals get used. If people want to make a direct point, you stick two hands up like this, like that guy is. Now, direct points are only when you're answering a factual point. So, let's say that there was a question where somebody asked about the law of this encampment, and somebody knows what the law is, then you stick up your two fingers to make a direct point, and you should then be the next person to speak. But they really should be used quite sparingly and only for answering factual questions.
It's a bit early, yeah. I know, it's not relevant on a minute, but I can vodka, some take most of it. Okay, so please, oh no, I'm not angry, just give them my change first.
Oh, he's broken.
No, I haven't broken it. Unfortunately, it doesn't. The battery compartment does seem to come a bit loose, so when you're holding the megaphone, you'll just have to hold it a bit. Unless somebody's got some gaffer tape. Who's got some gaffer tape?
Let's pause while I'm 6 minutes.
Yeah.